Hello, it's Jason. Welcome to my channel. The name of the channel is Jason on Location. Right now I'm exploring different places in Florida. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it and hope you have a great day. Okay, thank you. Hey everybody. I actually made it to Bakers of Waveland. This city doesn't even exist anymore. It's part of Sewall Point. I'm gonna go ahead and read the placard to you so we can learn a little bit about it. The Bakers of Waveland. Dr. William H. Baker and his family settled here in 1880 and named the place Waveland. Their home was the first permanent residence in what is now Martin County. The Waveland was prominent on Florida maps for many years. The section line that served as the old Dade-Brevard County line was just north of the Baker home and in later years divided Saint Lucie and Palm Beach counties. The Baker home was the polling place for the northernmost precinct of Dade County, as well as the location of Waveland Post Office, established in 1880. After William Baker's death in 1893, the Waveland postal duties were assumed by families who lived north of the county line, making the Waveland Post Office, originally in Dade County, a Brevard County post office. The Waveland Post Office was discontinued in 1905. Dade County, that's where Miami's at. Hey guys, I'm in front of Allstate Cemetery. This is the oldest cemetery in Martin County. This also has a church here, one of the first churches in the entire county also. Allstate Cemetery, 1893. Community of Episcopal worshipers began to emerge in this area, with the property donated by Charles H. and Marie Racy. The congregation established the All Saints Episcopal Church and All Saints Cemetery in 1898. The All Saints Cemetery earliest burial was recorded on November 17, 1904. In 1933, land contributed by Cliff C. Garrison expanded the cemetery and allowed the church to offer limited free public burials. This is All Saints Episcopal Church and Cemetery. This is located at 2303 Northeast Seaview Drive, Jensen Beach, Florida. This used to be part of Waveland. Back in 1898, this church was built. This is a Carpenter Gothic style church. It's on Crossroad Hill in Waveland. I think it's been part of Jensen Beach since 1905. This is the oldest church in Martin County. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, have a great day. I'll talk to you later.